me better when I wasn't yours. I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back to who I was before.
Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. You know what time it is. We are talking about the latest launches this month. So if you guys want to know if there's anything you should have your eyes on, let's go. Summer is coming early. New scents, new products from Sol de Janeiro includes 3 new Cheirosa perfume mist, 5 new jelly perfume bombs, and 2 new body Badalada lotion. I think it's lotion. I want to like their products because, you know, I'm a sucker for packaging. And if it smells good, I'm going to like it. I like scented things. But I'm telling you, I don't like any of their stuff. Back in the day, their original like Bum cream, I used to love that. I don't know if they reformulated it, but it does not smell the same anymore. I don't like how it smells. And I've tried it, like I've tried their other stuff, their mists, the lotions, the perfumes. I don't like none of it. But this, I mean, I would smell this because for some reason I want to find something that I like from them. But so far, it's a no from me. But again, packaging is cute. I didn't go over any of the scents. Rainforest, Sea Breeze, Brazilian Blue, Cactus, Apricot Nectar, Crushed Orange Blossom. I do like Orange Blossom in scents. I would smell it at least, but nothing is standing out to me. Okay, new toner pads from Glow Recipe. Includes 3 different toner pads, $30 each. Exfoliating toner pad, brightening toner pads, and repair and soothe toner pads. I like Glow Recipe. I know a lot of people don't like them because it's very scented skincare and people have sensitive skin, which I do have sensitive skin. But their products actually work on me, so I would try that. Coming soon on their website and retailers. New collab, Vacation and Pepsi. Sunscreen Lip Balm SPF 30 Wild Cherry Pepsi. Inspired by the iconic taste of Pepsi Wild Cherry, a universally flattering red cherry tint delivers a subtle sheer wash of color. High gloss gel texture imparts a luscious, freshly sipped shine. Retails for $14.99. Cute packaging. I don't want nothing that is gonna smell or taste like Pepsi on my lips. I don't even like soda like that. Absolutely not. No, thank you. No. Again, cute packaging. I'm gonna keep scrolling. Available now. It's official. Unov Global is now at Sephora. Korea's #1 premium soft yet powerful repair hair care brand at Olive Young. Oh, is that how? Oh. The first K hair brand to debut at Sephora US. Known for its glass-like shine results and soft, silky, healthy hair through innovative Korean repair science and cult favorite formulas at an affordable price point. I see most of their stuff is in the $20 range, $26, $28, $25, $28, $22, $22. Available February 13th in stores. Y'all know I really got into Korean beauty last year for my skincare. I just got a Korean, no, it was a hair care product that I got. I almost said perfume. And I did say, like, a lot of their stuff be way ahead of American skincare, stuff like that, blah, blah, blah. But hair care, I'm going to stick to, listen, let's not even get to hair care. Reason my hair look little. Oh, what is this? Revealed. New. Instead of trying to like revamp foundations, what if brands just like made something else? If you feel like something you put out needs to be revamped, just make something else entirely. Another new and updated foundation, Dior Forever Fluid Skin Wear with SPF Foundation. Oh, I think that's a typo. Skin Glow Foundation and Matte Foundation. New packaging and updated formula with hyaluronic acid, niacinamide, and peptides with a bold silver logo. Will update the shade range. This is for Asia right now, coming soon on their website and retailers. Dior foundations are a little hit or miss. They are a foundation that at least last time I tried were very scented And like I just got done saying that Glow Recipe was really scented and it didn't do anything to my skin. Dior was very scented and it absolutely did something to my skin. I wanted to like it because the actual product itself was good, but yeah, no, for sensitive skin, every time I tried it, it would break me out. So I mean, if they got that out of the way, okay, on the revamp. But if I see that it's still scent, like you could keep that. But of course, I will at least try it just to see how it goes. New magical face mask from Bioma for instantly smooth glass skin in just 20 minutes. A mask you can watch work right before your eyes, from pink to translucent, from matte to mirror shine finish. Clinically proven to smooth skin, improve texture, and visibly reduce wrinkles in just one use, this formula represents a new standard in collagen innovation that mimics younger skin. Retails for $16.99. I would try it because why not? But like certain things, I feel like if you are looking for things to make you youthful or, to repair, reduce aging that has already happened to your skin, you're just gonna have to go the way of like actual procedures or physical technology on your face, right? Physical lights, mask, like actual mask or whatnot that you're using on your face. And even then, I think that's more so like preventing anything newer happening to you. But like the incisions, the fillers, the Botox, like I feel like you're just gonna have to go ahead and do that. Or, have y'all seen that facelift that Jackie Henry, Lisa from Tia and Tamara, like I fear there are certain things that's just the route that you're gonna have to go if you want a younger look. Because babes, you're aging. Everyone is aging. Now you can play a role in how you age, but I feel like that's the way you're gonna have to go. Like there's only so much skincare can do. New, just in time for Valentine's Day, marshmallow foaming body wash from Sunday, whipped shower foam with Kakadu, plum, and finger lime, retails for $17. Notes are vanilla, rose, and caramel. Y'all know how I feel about like body scented washes. Just give me the stuff that's gonna make me clean, and then I'll work on smelling cute later on. But I don't know, the notes and just the way it's described, it's not giving like they're doing too much with it. So I would at least smell it. To see what it gives. Yeah, I'm not feeling what I'm seeing this month. And I feel like there's a emphasis on like Valentine's Day and whatnot, but like we already on the 7th? What day is today? I don't even know. So it's like it's gonna be gone in like a week. Eyeshadow and blush palette from Chanel. An exclusive creation oversized palette that contains 4 powder hues, eyeshadow and blush shades that unveil the endless dimensions of Rouge Noir, the house's iconic color, a magenta, a sienna red with pink shimmer, a pearly rose white highlighter, and a mauve pink. For the first time, the emblematic rounded square case comes in Rouge Noir. Retails for $95. Listen, Chanel makeup, a lot of times when you look at it, if you are a deeper complexion, you're just like, cute. I'm going to keep scrolling because, yeah. This is one time where you look at it and you're like, wait a minute. You actually could probably use a majority of this palette for blush. Like, deeper complexions, you can use, a little bit brighter of a pink. It depends on the pink and depends on how much of it you use. But you could probably use, like, this entire palette, even that really lighter shade. Maybe like a brow highlight or, an eyelid color, whatever it is, stuff like that, blah, blah, blah. So the one time you see something where you're like, okay, wait a minute. I mean, yes, it's Chanel, so you should expect it, but $95? That's more than the foundation. No. Available now. Love Flush Blush. Glowing liquid blush from Too Faced for a natural looking flush of color. A hydrating, easy to use liquid blush that is bouncy and buildable with plenty of time to blend before it dries down. Layers beautifully over makeup or wear it alone for a luminous love flushed glow that looks just like your own skin. Coming soon to other countries and retails. I don't see a price on here. Now, I will say one thing that Too Faced has always been really good at doing is blush. Like, I'm talking before it was a trend and it was the in thing to do to be inclusive. Like, Too Faced was doing what they need to do when it comes to blushes, especially blushes that you could use when you are a deeper complexion. So I will give them that. I would say you're probably safe if you purchase this, and it working out good on your skin. The colors, like I said, for the most part, are all looking like you could, love letter. Again, if you're a deeper complexion, yeah. But for the most part, all the other ones look like they would be flattering on. Oh, actually, you know them those photo shoot pictures for products on shades, but love letter in this picture looks flattering on the deeper complexion. I would You're probably pretty safe if you go ahead and give it a try. Oh, what is this? Actually, I think someone mentioned this in my comment section. New fragrances, new accessories, new collab. Elf Cosmetics has collaborated with H&M Fragrance Collection, a trio of scents inspired by hero makeup products. Retails for $29.99, I'm assuming each. There is the Power Grip Salty Drip, Eucalyptus, Cedarwood, Sea Salts, maybe, Halo Glow Luminous Cloud, Magnolia Vanilla Amber, a luminous scent with airy florals and soft vanilla. Maybe. We starting to get somewhere. And then the last one is Camo Blend Nude Canvas. That is Vanilla Musk, Creamy Woods, Smoky Depth, Soft Yet Mysterious. Those last two will be available. Oh, it's already available. I don't know. I mean, I guess maybe it makes sense for Elf to have perfume, because they be dominating like everything else, right? You listen, Elf primers, foundations, lip products, blushes, they got something for everybody. I guess, if they wanted to start venturing out to other things, or also maybe this will be the test to see if they should stick to makeup, or can they branch out to hair products, body products. Haven't they had body products before? Am I tripping? Fragrance products, stuff like that. Like I said, the two, and I'm not gonna fully count out the third one. Are they in store? It's just in retailers. I need to go smell it. I would not blind buy any of them, but I would at least go in store to smell it. Okay, and let's do the last one for the video because this is the new Hydro Grip 12-hour hydrating gel stick concealer from Milk Makeup, a clean, non-comedogenic 12-hour hydrating gel to cream all over concealer stick with buildable coverage that covers redness, dark circles, blemishes, hyperpigmentation, and evens out skin tone with a naturally dewy finish. Packaged with hydrating hyaluronic acid and skin barrier strengthening complex and blue agave extract, retails for $29, comes in 25 shades. Now, just seeing this, would I want to try this? Absolutely. Absolutely loved Hydro Grip primer. The Hydro Grip setting spray is a good one. I know there's other things as well that were like Hydro Grip collection themed. I just can't remember what they are right now. So just off the strength of that, like I'm telling, Hydro Grip that was my Danessa yummy skin for a couple years. And then Danessa came and took over, so I haven't used it since then. So just off of that, yes, I would want to try this concealer. They sent me an email that it was in the mail, so I'll be trying it regardless. So if you guys want to see a video on that, it will be coming soon. So yeah, y'all, that is it for today's video. Let me know if you saw anything you would like a video on. Let me know if there's anything that I talked about that you have already tried and you want to give your quick little review. And yeah, make sure to thumbs up, comment, subscribe, turn notification bells. My phone rang. But yeah, make sure to thumbs up, comment, subscribe, turn notification bells down below. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.